Alright, what's good, y'all? We back with another video, and I'm with the squad today. And tonight I got a little something special for y'all. So I told y'all I'm trying to get y'all content and stuff. So I joined the car club. I'm gonna get you a little quick walkthrough with the cars and shit. So you got my car out here. We got a Hemi Durango. It's a beautiful Scat out here. We got the Hell Kitty out here. You feel me? It's exclusive out here. We got the Scatty. I'm the only RT out here right now, I think so. I mean, other than the Durango. You feel me? We even got a Dart in this joint, so I ain't gonna show no license plates. Everybody straight. But yeah, we about to get some shit done today. Oh, we got look at that joint, looking spicy. Oh yeah. So y'all already know the vibes. It's about to go down tonight. So I ain't gonna tell y'all what we doing, but if you read the title, you already know what's about to go down. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it up a little bit because we about to roll out soon. So stay tuned. She talking? Ooh. Okay. Put that Tesla door. Hey. Oh, you want me? You want me? Uh-oh. Let me put on that. We popping hoods now.
I don't think they stopped.
You gotta check out the whip.
This is exactly what you gotta look for when you come in these cars.
Alright, what you gotta look for, bro?
I put the flashlight on.
You got alright. You looking for any tampering of the joint?
Oh, the pedal commander?
Yeah. I want to know that person. That pedal commander.
Right?
I want to know that.
Yeah, he's soaking right now.
That looking real stock right there, sir.
Shit, we was just floating.
Is that a big? That throttle body looks like it's kind of big. Is that a big kind of big?
Yeah, that is kind of big. That's stock though, man. 2020, man.
What you got under that box, man? What you got under that box? What you took the filter off? You running with no filter tonight? Hey, you know, some niggas do that.
What's that red line? That's nitrous right there?
I ain't gonna hey, man. What the fuck he did supercharge it. It's at the bottom.
Oh, it's at the bottom? He got the turbos at the bottom?
You gotta look at the bottom, man.
Look behind the wheels.
I'm making love to your girl.
Dad, why you doing this car like that, bro?
I'm making love to you.
Man, got that taser on there.
Hey, don't tell Mel I got a bottle.
He got a bottle?
Don't tell Mel I got a bottle.
We got turn that flashlight on.
You know why he was complaining? Something look a little funny.
Something look a little funny.
His joint is small, that's why he was talking about it. It's the charger. Size doesn't matter. It's the charger shit. That's why you gotta get it. What you got? What you got over there? Oh man.
Box stop, right?
You gotta use a flashlight. You gotta hide that. Alright, y'all. So we about to relocate because I think the feds keep driving past around this drink. I don't know if y'all can see my face or not because it's like really dark out here. So we gonna relocate, find another spot, see what's up. But yeah, we got a lot of niggas out here tonight. It's about to go down. All right, go ahead.
Tell you about he got that little clean snack pack over there. You know how you get down, bro.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, look at this joint, bro.
I told him, look, man,
this cute, bro. It ain't fast though, bro. Like this is crazy.
Look, man, this is what I tell him I take right here.
What we got?
Cash out.
Cash out?
Hey,
damn. So how much y'all
you might want to put mine in. I don't have to send me my money.
How much y'all putting down right now? What's going on?
1K pot, bro. 100 aside.
1K pot? Okay, something slight.
I don't think he want to lose that yet.
It's cool. Hey, look. Whoever win, not slot no more. Simple as
it's all
that.
good. I ain't showing no faces, so y'all good. I'm just showing body and down. That's it.
Hey.
So y'all heard him, man. They said 1K pot. He ain't trying to take the L. Cash out will be in hand. That's about to be wild.
Come back with the homework this time.
Yeah,
about to come back with this. I'm leaving after this.
My man did, hey, get it on camera. My man did the homework so I can race now. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So just to give y'all an update, we about to roll out to another spot real quick because the feds, they not out here, but they patrolling up and down the street, so we can't run right here. So we about to hit up another spot real quick. But nah, yeah, it's about to go down, man. We waiting for the flashlight guy now. We getting another shot of his car up close this time, because we didn't get to see it at Ocean City. We drove past it that time, but now we up close and personal. Look at that, it didn't say one of one, only his creation right there, y'all. That shit about to get official right here. clean this shit in person.
Hey, cameras on, let's get it.
Explain the race, like, you know, explain to the viewers.
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling. Right. Look, we already knew this, bro. Off a dig, okay. I was gonna have it. Off a road, I told you, bro. He said, ah, like what the fuck? Next time I'm coming out the bottle.
He coming out with the bottle next time, all right?
He coming out with the bottle.
All right, they about to roll out.
Hey, be safe, man.
All right. Oh yeah. So yeah, man. I think that's gonna be it for the video, man. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope y'all like that shit. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and all that fancy stuff, man. I'm about to go ahead and head home. It's like 12 o'clock. But we had some good runs. I ain't do nothing tonight. Nothing too fancy, but I'm about to go ahead and roll out. Y'all hold it down. Stay tuned for the next one.